Have you ever typed out image prompt in Google Gemini and the results that came out weren't that expected? The image looked blurry, weird, and wrong background, totally off. Today I'll show you the best prompts of generating images, editing images, and even attaching your photos using Google's Gemini. But again, what's generating for us the images is Nano Banana. As we're gonna see while generating, you'll see that Nano Banana is taking over to generate images. And the interesting part is, I used ChatGPT to craft me these powerful prompts, then tested them in Gemini. So in this video, I'll show you how to write better image prompts, how to edit images like a pro, how to upload and modify your own photos, and the exact structure that gives better results. Most people fail with AI image tools because they write short, lazy prompts like create a nice picture of a man working, which is too vague. AI needs a subject, environment, style, lighting, camera angle, mood, quality details. And when you combine all that properly, the magic happens. Now let me show you some practical examples. Let me type in Gemini, create a photo of a content creator. According to the results, it's okay, but kinda generic, and it's universal. We didn't specify anything, so we didn't tell a better story in this image. Now let's try to improve it. Here is what I did. I went to ChatGPT and typed generate a detailed AI image prompt of a male tech YouTuber recording a video in a modern setup. Include lighting, camera angle, background, mood, and realistic details. Now ChatGPT generated a structured prompt. Now I copy the prompt and I paste it in Google Gemini. The prompt looks something like what you're seeing currently. Now look at the difference. The image is sharper, more realistic, more professional. Now here are the practical tips that you must include in every image generation. Realistic or ultra realistic, 4K or high resolution, lighting style, camera angle, mode, environment details. That alone can upgrade your results. Now let's say you already have an image and you want to change something in that image. For example, you have an image and you're not satisfied with the background, the lighting, or even you want to include that very image in the image that you're already generating, editing a generated image. You just have to go back to your Gemini and type this prompt in the very same chat. Replace the background with the modern text studio with soft blue lighting. Keep the subject exactly the same. Maintain the realistic shadows and lighting consistently. Notice what I did. I clearly said what to change, what to keep, maintain realism. That alone prevents AI from changing everything. Pro editing formula. When editing, structure your prompt like this. What to modify, what must stay unchanged, lighting consistency, style consistency. For example, let's insert this prompt in our Gemini to continue editing our photo. Change the outfit to a black hoodie. Keep the face, pose, and the background exactly the same. Maintain realistic texture and natural lighting. The more realistic you are, the better edit. Now here is where things become more powerful. Now I upload a photo, then I type, replace the person in the image and improve the lighting, enhance sharpness, remove background clutter, and make it look like a professional YouTube thumbnail. Now Gemini processes it As you see, Gemini did a great job of removing the background and replacing the person in the image with me, my photo. But the results are not that satisfying. I'm gonna tell you the reason why they're not satisfying. Let's try another prompt. It should stay original. I mean the one we generated. Just change the face and balance the lighting and color grading. I actually had to add some clarity in my prompt, but unfortunately it didn't work as I expected. Instead, it was sticking to the original. This is why I advise you, if you want to specialize into image generation, you need to subscribe to the premium packages for Google Gemini. If you want the best results, I mean the best results, without uh, limiting you. And what I realize about the free versions, you can't get enough juice out of it, most especially when you're generating images or any advanced. If you want something that is so advanced, I advise you to subscribe to the premium packages. You will get the best results. Advanced attachment prompt. You can say, for example, turn this image into a cinematic portrait with dramatic lighting and blurred background. Keep the facial features unchanged. Attaching images gives you more control rather than starting from scratch, which is a bit hard to tell your story and bring it out as you imagine. How I use ChatGPT to create better prompts. Now here is the trick that most people don't use. Instead of guessing prompts, I ask ChatGPT to build structured prompts. For example, create a powerful AI image prompt for a futuristic African city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights. So instead of us struggling, let AI talk to AI. That is smart work. Now here is a simple template. Now as you see as follows, you can copy this very template and apply it in every image generation that maybe you try using. For editing, this is the template for editing. You can copy it still and apply it in your image generation. Now if your images don't look professional, it's not about the tool, it's the prompt. Start using structured prompts. Use ChatGPT to generate better prompt ideas. Be specific when editing, and when possible, upload your own images for better control. Now I want to ask you, what kind of images are you planning to create with Google Gemini? Just let me know in the comments below. And by the way, give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.